Still painting your beehives every year? Stop painting your hives. It's time-consuming and costly. Check this out. We use 100% natural microcrystalline wax. This isn't just a surface coating. Our secret: processing in high-quality wax at 140 degrees Celsius. This removes all moisture and ensures the wax leaves seal the wood fiber perfectly. As a leading manufacturer, we have bulk supply available. Whether you need Langstroth, Detent, or custom sizes, we've got you covered. Send us an inquiry today.